प्रीवियस क्लास में हम लोगों ने जो बेसिक टर्म्स होते हैं सर्कल के डेफिनेशन और उसके जो पार्ट्स होते हैं इंटीरियर एक्सटीरियर, ये हमने सारी चीज़ें पढ़ ली थी। जैसा कि हमारे पास ये इंटीरियर एक्सटीरियर ऑन द सर्कल और ये रेडियस, ये चीज़ें हमने पढ़ ली थी। डायामीटर के बारे में पढ़ा था। कॉर्ड, लॉन्गेस्ट कॉर्ड इज़ अ डायामीटर, ये हमने आर्क पढ़ी थी, मेजर आर्क, माइनर आर्क। और हमने ये कुछ दो टर्म्स देखे थे जैसे माइनर सेगमेंट, मेजर सेगमेंट, माइनर सेक्टर, मेजर सेक्टर। आज हम लोग 10.1 एक्सरसाइज करेंगे, पेज नंबर 171। पहले आपके बेसिक फिलअप से द सेंटर ऑफ अ सर्कल लाइज इन डैश ऑफ द सर्कल। तो सेंटर आपका सर्कल के इंटरनल में लाई करता है, तो इंटीरियर है। अ पॉइंट हुज डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ अ सर्कल इज ग्रेटर देन इट रेडियस लाइन इन डैश ऑफ द सर्कल, इंटीरियर और एक्सटीरियर। इफ इट इज ग्रेटर देन radius then it is a exterior part of a circle. The longest chord of a circle is dash of the circle. Longest chord passes through center and this is known as diameter. An arc is a dash when its ends are end of a diameter, like arc means this one, this is a end of diameter, that means this is a semicircle. Segment of a circle is the region between an arc and dash of the circle. See this, what is a segment? See this, if we have a circle, then this is your arc and this is your chord, and this area is known as segment. Clear? So it is here chord, arc and chord. It is a region between, this is arc and this is chord. It is a region between arc and chord. This is your segment. A circle divides the plane on which it lies in. Circle divides how many parts? Interior on the circle and exterior. Next we have true false. Like true false, give reasons for your answers. Line segment joining the center to any point of the circle. Line segment joining the center to any point of the circle is a radius of a circle. See this, any point of a circle joining, this is a radius. Yes, it's true. Okay, it's true. A circle has only finite number of equal chords. We can draw infinite number of equal chords. We can draw infinite number of equal chords. If a circle is divided into 3 equal arcs, each is major arc. No, false. A chord of a circle which is twice as long its radius is diameter. Yes, twice of its radius, that means it is a diameter. Sector is the region between the chord and its corresponding arc. Sector is a region between the chord and corresponding arc. See this, this is chord and this is arc. This is not a sector, this is segment. This is sector. Clear? तो ये आपका sector है. A circle is a plane figure. Yes, it is a plane figure. Okay, thank you for watching.